In this video, I will show you how to create ad creatives using AI. So this tool right here called AdCreative.ai creates very high converting ad creatives for your business. As you can see, they have some examples here. For example, LinkedIn uses them. You can see some Tesla ads right here. And this is the type of stuff that it can actually create fully using AI. And I will show you exactly how you can do this. So as you can see, they will give you a conversion score. So then you will know which ads are best and you can just test them out. And you can actually use this completely for free by clicking on the link down in the description, and that link will take you to this page. Now from here, click on try for free now. Now here, simply sign up with Google, Microsoft, or enter your details manually. Then here, go and fill in your payment details. So even though you need to fill in your payment details, it is completely free for the first 7 days. And in those 7 days, you can actually already create some ad creatives completely for free. And I'll show you how you can do this, and also how you can cancel it if you would like to cancel it so that you won't have to pay. So first, go and fill in your card details right here. So then after you fill in your payment details, you will be taken right here. Here, simply click skip. And now you can actually go and set up your brand. So this is really easy, and this gives the AI a good understanding of what types of creatives it should create for your specific business. So you need to upload your brand name, your logo, your brand colors, etc. Now the easier way is to simply enter your URL right here. So for this example, I will just use the AdCreative.ai website. And now you can click on import brand. So now as you can see, it will get the brand name and description, it will upload the logo and select the brand colors. Now as you can see, for me it selected a wrong logo since this right here is not the logo of AdCreative.ai, so I'm simply going to upload the logo myself. Now here you will see the brand colors, so these are some that they got from the AdCreative.ai website. So for me these are perfect, so I'm just going to click save and continue. And now make sure that all of these details are correct, and if they are, you can check out the advanced setup right here, where you can select your own font. You can select an alternative logo, and you can connect your Meta ads, Google ads, LinkedIn ads, and Pinterest ads. So then go and click on create brand in the bottom. So now you will be taken right here, and now we can actually start creating the ad creatives using AI. So as you can see, you can create AI generated assets. So you have ad creatives, product photo ads, ad videos are coming soon. Then you have social creatives, ad text. So they also do the copywriting for your ads. Then you can also get an ad package. So this is basically an ad creative but with the text already included, so that's also very helpful. They have batch creatives, and then stock images are coming soon. So what we are going to do for this video is create an ad package, since that includes the ad creatives, and I don't only want the ad creative, I also want to have the ad text, so you can do these manually or you can just go to the ad package. Now here again, you want to fill in your landing page or website. So now they have scanned your website and entered the required content manually. So this is the objective of your ads. So they selected get sales, but can also be get leads or get messages, get calls, and a few more options. Now you can select the tone, so professional, informal, friendly, enthusiastic, etc. Now the language, a product or service name, your target audience, and your call to action. Then here you'll see a product/service description, and now you can go and click on next step. Now here you get a few AI suggested strategies. So based on the details of your product or service, their AI suggests several strategies. So the recommended one here is the direct conversion focused strategy. So this means that you advertise with direct conversion focused approach by focusing on your product and also the problem. Now you can also do exclusive discount, limited time offer, a free trial period, social proof, or you can generate more. Now since this is the recommended one and we are creating the ad creatives with AI, I'm going to select the AI recommended one. So now again, click on next step. Now here you need to select an advertising platform. So you can use Meta, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google, Pinterest, or other. So you can also see which ones they recommend for your specific business. So for me, they recommend Meta, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Google. Now for this example, I will use Meta, so that's Facebook and Instagram, since most people want to advertise on Meta. Now here you can pick the creative size. Now I'm going to select a regular 1080 by 1080 post and click on next step. Now here you can select a background image. So here are some images from your website. You can also upload an image, or you can use one of their free stock images. So this will be the image in the background. So let's say I would just like to use this one right here and click continue. But then after selecting a background image, you want to click on next step. And now the final step is to pick the text on image. Now of course we want to use AI, so I'm going to use AI to generate this. So I'm going to click generate texts with AI, and that will let their AI write conversion focused text for your images. And now you will see what the AI has created. So for this example I used AdCreative.ai, which is the tool I recommend you to create ad creatives using AI, and they ask struggling with ad designs, boost conversions with AdCreative.ai, learn more now. Now you can change any one of these, and you can see they also give you several options. So you can see right here, for example, they have 13 different options. So you can just pick whichever one you like best. So for example, I will use one to outperform competitors. And then here I can choose a punchline. So I'll do maximize ad performance effortlessly. And then for the call to action, you can also write something else, and you can choose a call to action icon. So right now it's this. But you can pick any icon here, or you can search for something. So now you want to give your project a name. And just go and click on generate. So now it's actually going to create the ad creatives for us fully automatically using AI. Again, if you want to get started with AdCreative.ai completely for free, you can use the link down in the description. And you will also get 50% off on yearly plans, but you can first just start your 7-day free trial. So now here it has created the ad creatives for us. So now as you can see, these don't look very good, and that's because I picked a bad background picture. So I'm just going to select a different background image. You can simply go to the selected image here and change it really easily. So now as you can see, I have picked this image right here. So now when I do the same process and just go and generate them, so now it has created the creatives again. So you can see the conversion score right here. So it goes from high to low. So this is the highest one with a conversion score of 100. So you can see it right here. Now it has these lines over it. That's because this is a preview. Now as you can see, the logo that I uploaded has a background, so you want to avoid your logo having a background, because then you will get a square like that. But for example, I like this one, so I can simply click on download or edit. So if you want to edit the post, you can do a quick input edit, or you can go to the Creative Studio editor. Now I'm just going to click on download image. And now as you can see in the bottom left, my credits will go from 8 to 7. So only after you download an ad creative, you will use one of your credits. And you get 10 credits in the free trial. So now as you can see, this ad creative won't have the lines anymore. And this is a very good looking ad that I just created using AI completely for free. Now it doesn't only create the ad creatives. As you can see right here, it also says texts and audiences. So when I go to texts, you can actually see the texts that it has created. You can see the method it used. So this one, for example, used the success method. This one the quest method, or the ADA model. So it actually bases these ad copies on actual models and strategies. And these are very high converting texts. So you can see right here the score that it has. So most of these have 90 out of 100. So just read them and see which one you like most. You can also edit them by clicking edit, and then you can simply type whatever you want. So then you can simply copy this, and this won't even cost any credits. So now you have your ad creative and your text. Now they also help you find the audiences. So here are the audiences that they came up with for AdCreative.ai. So as you can see, the interests to target are digital marketing, social media advertising, AI technology, advertising tools, conversion optimization, and creative design. Then it gives you an age range and a gender. And you can see the conversion score. So the higher the better, of course. So this conversion score is 90 out of 100, which is great. So now you can simply create your meta ad, upload your ad creative, which we have right here. So you can simply upload this ad creative onto Meta, then upload the copy that you want. So the text right here, simply copy and paste it. And then for the interest to target, the age range and gender, just fill in what it says right here, and you can split test a couple of these to see which one is actually best. So they literally generate your entire campaign for you within just a few clicks. And these are actually good creatives and good copies that are used by huge companies such as LinkedIn, Tesla, Under Armour, and more. Now they also offer competitor insights, so you can start tracking competitors right here. So if you want to do that, that's also a great tool. Now let's take a look at their pricing. So as you can see, when you bill monthly, it starts at $29 per month, which will give you 10 credits per month, but you can go up to 100 credits per month in the startup plan. Now they have a professional plan, and the main difference here is the amount of credits and the brand limit. Then they have an agency plan where you can get a brand limit of 50 and even up to 200 brands for $900 per month and 2000 credits. So basically one of those credits is not creating an ad creative but actually downloading the ad creative. So you can generate unlimited ad creatives even in the cheapest plan, but you can just download 10 per month. And when you pay yearly, you actually get 50% off. So then, as you can see, it becomes as cheap as $15 per month, and for this price you hire a copywriter, an ad creative designer, and an advertising specialist. So this is great value for your money in my opinion. You also get unlimited photos by iStock even in the cheapest plan, and the agency plans are only $250 per month when you pay yearly. Now if for some reason you don't like AdCreative and you want to cancel your free trial, then that's possible as well. Simply go to settings here, and then in settings, in your account section right here, when you scroll down you will see the cancel my subscription button, and you can simply cancel your subscription right here. Now personally I really like AdCreative.ai and it creates great ad creatives. And as you can see, it also has this feature where it says you have saved this much money or 11 hours of work by automating your ad assets using AdCreative.ai. So you can see what this is based on. Since you signed up, you have generated the following 203 creatives, which they think will take about 11 hours and is worth $676. So this is just in the free trial, and I've only used 3 out of 10 credits. So simply sign up to the free trial with the link down in the description and start creating your ad creatives for free or for as cheap as $15 per month when you bill yearly. So that's how to create ad creatives using AI. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.